Catcore's send-off was two-dimensional. A memorial service at the UWI Chapel in Mona, Jamaica, followed by a celebration of the third world guitarist life and work. Capacity turnout at the UWI Chapel for the great guitarist.
It was a great inspiration for musicians and reggae artists and just people in general. Just one of the most jovial spirits. You know, him call everybody Roy. So him just see and say, "Oh, go on Roy," and him always call me something. We never even understand it at first when we hear so I say him call everybody, and just have a great energy, man. What a piece of legacy, and just here to support and show just energy to him and his family.
What can I say? We're saying farewell to the iconic, the legendary. I hear people mention the word virtuoso, which means beyond expert musician. So he didn't just play the music, but he felt the music, and he was basically a catalyst of a change and a movement of reggae music that took it to even a more worldwide, a more palatable feel worldwide. Uncle Cat, rest in peace to Shire, Sheppy, Stephen, all of the kids, all of the children. It's the end of an era, but we're celebrating the life of a legend because his work will definitely live on for generations and generations to come.
For my brother Coore, Stephen Catcore, who I've known from 12 years old and did with my musical journey with that man. God bless him and God bless me too and God bless all of we. We say we stand for something.
Today we celebrate Cat, an icon in the music. Somebody who we love and appreciate and has made so much in contributions. We bless up him and his family. Lots of love, lots of life. Blessings.
Today is a special day for me because Stephen Catcore is somebody I've been associated with because I worked with the group a number of years in the era of management, tour management, and tour organizer. And to lose somebody like that, it's a blow to the industry. But we have to carry on the work because he left a great legacy, that I will never ever forget.
We give thanks so we could be here, and we just want to big up Catcore, the top tiger.
And I was so blessed to know Cat for about 40 years. We hung out. I just helped to produce the last song he ever did, which is Another Brick in the Wall by Pink Floyd in reggae with Third World. And it sounds, Cat was up over the moon about it. He played guitar on it, he sang on it, and he just gave those amazing performance. As a musician, he was an absolute genius. As a human being, he was number one on earth.
One of the greatest human being and one of the greatest musicians, He'll be sadly missed, and I am happy to be one of the persons who have been associated with him. When we were at IRE FM, I remember the days when we just started IRE FM, Third World was down recording at Grove Recording Studio, and we participated in the making of that album, Committed. So, and I've been seeing Cat as a performer from I was a youngster. I remember the days of Third World performing at the Carib Theatre when they were not even a reggae band, when they were a show band and were, performing funk, soul, disco, and reggae music until they did their first album. I've seen Transmigration, I've seen Explantation, and those kinds of production have not been replicated.
When we think about Catcore, we think about excellence. So although we're here celebrating his passing, it's a celebration because his body is joyful in the sense that he has done us so well, not just in Jamaica but all over the world. His contribution is significant, So I just want to give thanks, send my condolences to his family and friends and all those in the music industry. Catcore always have good advice for me, like every time we meet, it's always a good vibe. He always have something to tell me, Don't talk too much when I perform. Always have something to tell me. No, I always have some positive to tell me. So I respect Catcore to the ground and walk on. Enough respect every time.
Winfred, I hope we don't meet on this occasion all the time.
I hope so too.
Yes, it's tough. I want to congratulate you. Cat was a big admirer of your show. Support it all through the years. And I myself too. So, God bless.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
It's so great to see.
Thank you, man.
Winford, you don't know, you have to keep up the good work, And so every time it's just a good time, even though we're not always here for all of the time. But we just have to celebrate where we are here to make sure that it's a good time. Because we don't know when our time will expire and we no longer have time. You see me? So keep up the good work, spread the word, and we have to spread all joy and love through the music, which we will still do.
Well, I just want to wish, strength and love to the Coore family, especially my brethren Shire, who played enough on my album. Enough love to the family, see? Got love for the Morgan family.
The great Catcore. It was a very emotional 2 hours, but we have to hold it, because we're firm, and celebrate the life of a great man. Enough blessings.
We're there for Anna Cat, Uncle Cat. A big part of our life growing up. Father figure, always, always show love to Bob kids and, as a shepherd himself, I saw him a couple of weeks before, and same thing, him say, we love you, right? And things, so we had to be here and, occasion unfortunate, but so much love for Cat. Him name and him music, him legacy, live on forever.
And here now are moments from the celebration of Cat's life and work.
People get ready, there's a train coming. Don't need no baggage, you just get on board. All you need is faith to hear the diesels humming. You don't need no ticket, you just thank the Lord.
Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercies whenever I fall. You lift me up, glory to thee, oh God.
The story of my life, the story of my life. Story of my life, story of my life, story of my life. This is the story of my life. you stand up for those down on the knees, and lend a voice to those who cannot speak, and if you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who lost their way, there's a place, Jamaica, for people like you. I heard up there the streets are made of gold, yeah. And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down near and through, there's a place up there for people like you.
Remember me. Remember me, boy. Me know a whole heap of people I pray. Remember me. Remember me, Jah, Jah, Jah. Remember me, boy. I know you got a lot on your hands. Remember me. It's not about me, it's about I.
When I say cat, you say Coore. Cat! Cat! When I say enough, you say circle. Give me now. Big boys, watch your bone, watch your bone, watch your bone enough. When a Chevy Chan Brown come for you, you and your crow, and nothing you can do. Tell me, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? One, two, three, bad boy. What you gonna do when they come again, bad boy?
Jamaica Music Icon Award to Third World. So we celebrate Catcore tonight, and we celebrate his legacy. And we know that he's making sweet music along with Ibu, Carrot, and all the other musical greats that have made our music at the center of the world. I thank you all for coming out and for showing your love and appreciation for Cat.
From Mumbai, I'm a Jamaica, from a Kingston, China reggae band, travel Africa, travel Japan. Me mother proud of me, so she just love my man. Oh, yeah, I'm Mr. Reggae. Tell them again, tell them. Oh, yeah, I'm Mr. Reggae. Roots it up with quality, stepping it with quality. On Judgment Day, I'll be playing music for the only one. Listen. When you shall seek, you shall find. I'll be with you through all time. And if you're thirsty, I will quench you. And if you're hungry, I will feed you. All I ask of you is that you love as I do. And if you lose your way, I'll lead you. And from a sinful life, I cleanse you. For creation, there's a weakness of my Lord. Well, from jungle to Rima, from Tivoli to Manchester. Well. From the Seaview to Riverton, come on, 100 Parkland. And all the tigers with them, all tigers on the back. Well, say you can be a Afghan, and a summer vision, and the trouble not burning, and the other people. You live from where they come, man. If not, that's where you stand. If no one who was set it, so we follow Charlie stand.
And stay with us, still to come right here on our stage. The first renewal of Reggae Fusion brings Sizzla Kalonji and the event's promoter to our stage.
We are the life of the party.
Quick Cook, unleash the life of the party. You don't want to miss that.
Ravers, shout out ding dong.